Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make and edit a pie chart in Google Docs step by step. Go to Insert tab, Chart, Pie Chart, wait some moment, then Open Source, type your data, then edit, edit chart, data range, okay, or add a new data range, click again, add another range, then update, again edit, customize, pie chart, or donut hole, slice level, value, percentage, font color, font size, auto, pie slice, distance from center, etc. Chart and axis titles, legend. Then again go to Google Docs, simply click update. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.